Hi folks, this is Steve GRONOW. I'm the owner at CHESTNUT Development, and I'm here to tell you about a beautiful office, mobile office trailer that we're going to sell. We just completed this project. We built some apartments over here in Whitmore Lake. This is located on North Territorial, on Whitmore Lake Road, just north of North Territorial. I bought this brand new from the manufacturer. It's a 12 by 46 foot mobile office trailer. It has 2 entry doors. We've built a little stairs and a little deck there that we can give you with it if you want it. It's in mint condition. There's no dents, dings, bongs. It's only like 2 years old, and it's just been bought from the factory right to here. We used it for 2 years, and now it's ready to go. We're done with the project. So let me tell you about it close up. I set it up to be full-time, year-round, with a bathroom and water and all that. Here's the hitch that they tow them with right here. All the leveling stands, jack stands, and platforms will come with it. This is the heat and air conditioning unit right here. There's an auxiliary outlet right here for a plug for Christmas lights or whatever you want to do outside. Along here we have our internet coming in to the unit. That little piece of electrical is, we run our power right there. We hooked it up with a little shallow underground to the utility pole right here. If you want the meter and the disconnect and all that hardware, you can have that with it, and you can save some money that way. There's windows all around in all the units. It's 2 offices and a big conference room and a bathroom inside. All the tires are like new. Like I say, the only miles on this Triax tires are the miles it took to get it here from the factory. I'll also give you, if you want it, I have this plumbed for a bathroom inside down into a 300-gallon tank. And then we just have it pumped out right here once every 6 months or so. So you can have the tank with it if you want. It's all set up right here. It's got a little vent with it. It's just shallow buried, never freezes. It's good for the winter. And right here we set it up so we could fill it with water. I put a water tank inside there, and that fresh water tank, you can fill it with that hose spigot. You fill up the fresh water tank, and then you got fresh water inside the unit that lasts you, however long. It's for flushing the toilet and the sink to wash up with. So it's like a fully self-contained unit, the way we set it up. And we put the water system in and the pump and all of that ourselves. It didn't come with any of that. We've got our GPS set up here. We may have to take that with us. Yeah, so let me take you inside and show you around the interior. It's really warm and well insulated in the cold winter months, and in the summer the air conditioning keeps it nice and cool. So there's the steps coming in. There's a door here and a door down here. Got a porch light here and a porch light there. So coming in the front door, take my shoes off here because we just cleaned it out. Okay, so you come into this large area. This is about 12 feet by 12 feet, and we had a refrigerator in the corner right there. We had a big table here so the guys could have meetings, and we had a copy machine in the corner there. There's 2 nice fluorescent lighting throughout. The heat and air is all ducted through the ceiling. So there's this large area in the middle. Superintendent's office is here. It's got a nice 6-panel door on it. We're gonna give you this furniture with it. We bought all this extra, but you got some nice ergonomic chairs. You got a plan table. You got a foreman's desk here, whiteboard, 4-drawer file cabinet, little copier right there. We'll give you that with it also. All of this stuff works good. Fire extinguishers we'll give you, so you'll be in code. Here's your fuse panel and your manufacturer's certificates right here. It's got 100 amp service, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circuits, 6 circuits. All of it, this whole thing, it works perfect. Oh, here's the thermostat right here to set the temperature for your air conditioning and heat. So that's this office, and this plan table, we'll give you that with it too. So there you go. There's a window outside the center room. This is the bathroom right here. So it's just like any other bath. So it's nice. It's got a sink here for washing up. Little mirror. Got an overhead cabinet right there. Toilet. ADA accessible here, and with grab bars. All that's installed and ready to go. Everything works. And then you have this assistant superintendent's office over here with this Peninsula desk, these drawers. All this furniture comes with it. And your fluorescent lights up top. There's windows in the front and the back, and this one has its own separate entrance door right here. So it's really nice. We built this cabinet. That's the water system that we installed. So there's a tank and a pump in there, an on-demand pump in there that we added to make this fully usable, full-time for staff. So that's about it. If you want to call me with any questions, my name again is Steve Gronow, and I can be reached at 810-599-5147. It's located in Whitmore Lake, North Territorial, and Whitmore Lake Road. 12 by 46 mobile office with 2 offices, a conference room, and a bath. Hope that was helpful. Thanks so much.